Hello everyone. Okay, so today my daughter made a stuffed Mexican sweet potato. And I got avocado, sour cream, corn, black beans, what is that, red peppers? A bell pepper and quinoa. And I'm gonna try this, y'all. This is my first time trying this. I'm gonna bring this up like this. Actually, I'm sitting at my table. I'm sitting at my craft table, actually, y'all, and I got stuff everywhere. So I am gonna try this. I was trying to get my daughter to do a video so that y'all can see how to make it. It is so good. Let me get a little bit of this. Yes, y'all. This is so good. So I just wanted to come to y'all really quick to show y'all this, what I am eating right now. And with that being said, y'all, thank y'all so much for watching. Until my next upload, peace and blessings, everyone. See ya.